Forming the greatest and the smallest numbers using the given digits forming the greatest number. 2. Form the greatest number using the given digits. Arrange the digits in the descending order. If two digits are the same, write them at consecutive places. Example. Write the greatest 6-digit number using each of the digits 3, 4, 2, 0, 5 and 6 only once. Solution. The descending order of the given digits is 6 greater than 5, greater than 4 greater, than 3 greater, than 2 greater than 0. So the greatest 6-digit number formed from the given digits only once is 654320. Example. Write the greatest 6-digit number using each of the digits 1, 3, 6 and 8 at least once. Solution. Here, we have to form the greatest 6-digit number using all the given digits. So, we will write the greatest digit, that is, 8 3 times at consecutive places. So, the greatest 6-digit number formed from the given digits is 8, 8, 8, 6, 3, 1. Forming the smallest number. To form the smallest number from the set of the given digits, we arrange the given digits in the ascending order. If 0 is one of the digits, then write it at the second place, starting from the extreme left. Example. Write the smallest 6-digit number using each of the digits 6, 1, 0, 7, 2 and 5 only once. Solution. The ascending order of the given digits is 0 less than 1 less than 2 less than 5 less than 6 less than 7. We cannot start with 0, so we write it at the second place. So the smallest 6-digit number formed using all the given digits only once is 1, 0, 2, 5, 6, 7.